Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here. Today I'm at the TORKS at Deer Creek State Park here in Ohio, and I'm just having a great time. I've flown in quite a few airplanes today, and I've seen some really good flying. And I got the Viper 90 here. I did do a practice flight with it and made sure that all my repairs are holding together and it's ready to go. Let's get this thing in the air and see how it does. All right, we got it in high rates. Let's go one click on the flaps for a takeoff. It doesn't really need it. I did have my switch backwards there on the gear, so it's right now. Let's take it off. Nice gentle takeoff. Gear going up. Flaps going up. Trying to stay below the sun, guys. This place is so awesome. I'm having a great time. I've flown quite a few planes. Flew my F-16, this Viper, the Habu. I got my A-10 I'm gonna fly. And I'm just having a good time. Most of the guys have taken off now. The sun is shifting to the other side of the runway, so I feel like this is probably best for in the morning, but we're doing good. It's midday, the sun's high, so we're flying under it. Flying about half throttle or so. We are flying with a 5000 smart pack. I noticed several of the guys here at the club like to fly out past the standing area of the flight line. They'll circle around inside the flight line, but at the ends only. Keeping it out in front when they're doing the pass. We did have some people walking around earlier and enjoying the flights. That's always kind of fun to have spectators. Terry Nitch here today was flying turbine earlier. I should have that video either up already or coming soon. And he's got his 90mm Viper here that he's repainted with green over the red. It looks really cool. It's a nice bright color too. And makes me want to make this thing orange. He likes to get some speed when he flies. That is for sure. My favorite rollout turn. Still flying in high rates, guys. Here we go, full speed pass. Letting it level out because it was blending with the sky on me. I feel like there's something out there. Just saw a car or something. Nice low pass. This time around, we'll look at the gear. I see 3, or I believe I saw 3. We're gonna have to take it back down to the other end for the landing. After I make this turn, we'll go to the flaps. There we go, full flaps. Bringing the wing straight. Still about quarter throttle, letting the nose come in. Oh. Let's take it on around. You guys see I almost put it in the ground. Still full flaps, guys. No time to switch that switch. Here we go. I'll take that landing this time, guys. My landing earlier was much more smooth, but we'll take this one and take it home in one piece. I don't think I can get that. It turns better to the right for some reason. In fact, I'm holding it to the left to get it to taxi straight. That's the E-flite Viper 90mm. Such a blast to fly, guys. The Viper 90 by E-flite. I had so much fun, guys. I love flying here at the the TORKS here at Deer Creek Park, State Park here in Ohio. Such an awesome airplane, such an awesome place. Big thanks to the Lord for a beautiful day. Only like a 7 or 8 mile an hour wind today. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous day for RC flying. Hopefully you guys are out enjoying the day too. Until next time, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.